Okay na tayo rito?
Yes po, okay tam, Tagalog, okay na tayo dito. Straight na, straight.
It's a prank!
Galing ni Kuya!
Pinoy Transporter, best taxi driver. He's a
Almost 29 years.
What? 29 years, ha?
You're amazed ba?
Oh, very much so amazed, huh? By the way, what's your name?
Tetet po.
What's your name?
Why are you video?
Well, because I'm asking you to teach me, right? That's why I want to record so that I'll be able to review.
Okay. Siya si Valerie.
What's your name?
Ted.
Tet? Tet. What's Tet?
My name is Yai.
Hi, Yai. I'm Mr. Lu.
Mr. Lu.
Yeah, my first name is Gao. Gao Lu.
Gaulu.
Yeah, Gao Lu.
Yan na inaasal mo. Ano ba ang drama mo sa buhay?
Lugaw.
What?
Lugaw.
What's Lugaw?
The food.
Kind
Like,
of food.
What?
Yeah.
yeah.
No, I'm Gao. Gao Lu.
Gaulu.
Well,
Yeah. What's Lugaw?
G-A-O.
The rice.
Gaolou, Mr. You can call me Mr. Lu, huh?
Mr. Lu.
Yeah.
Do you have place in the Binondo?
Did you have a family here?
Oh, just one at a time. 2 questions at a time. How can I answer? I just stay in
Binondo.
my friend place, okay? Somewhere in Binondo. Oh, teach me some Filipino language.
Yeah.
May-ari ng sasakyan na to.
What's my are?
Did you
The owner of the car.
This is your own car?
No, I told you, my friend.
You're not listening, bebe, ha?
You're paulit-ulit.
You are paulit-ulit, ha?
Bola lang yun.
I've heard that.
Nadali ka tuloy ni sir. You are paulit-ulit.
You're paulit-ulit.
Nice. Good job. Good job.
Okay. Oh, paulit-ulit. I've heard that. When you say, sometimes they say it, bakit.
Bakit?
So, teach me some other words that I can use.
Ito, like this, kalsada.
What? Kalsada?
Kalsada.
What's kalsada?
The street.
road.
The
Street.
road, no?
This is the road.
Road.
Or street.
Street,
Like that.
kalsada.
Yeah.
They street like that.
Okay.
The smalling road.
This Smalling Road.
Oh,
This street.
kalsada, yun.
This one, the bigger, kalsada. The calling is road.
Okay, when you small street,
Yeah,
big is road.
Road.
Okay, thank you so much, sir. So, you've been together for 29 years.
Yes.
Okay, what's the secret of lasting forever?
To understand each other.
You understand. Well, yeah, they said understanding is what women need,
Yeah.
as far as relationship is concerned.
Okay.
So, what other Tagalog? Can you tell
What do
me?
you want?
What's that? What do you want in Tagalog?
Do you want to...
Anong gusto mo?
Ano?
Anong gusto mo?
Ano gusto mo?
Kung anong gusto mo ituro sa'yo.
Okay, I thought what you want. I want food. I want to eat. Okay.
Parinig kita sa mukha!
Okay, ha?
Kung you want
Time
food,
to- it's time
gusto
to
ko ng
decide.
pagkain. Yan.
Gusto ko pagkain.
Pagkain.
She's 42 and you are?
47.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, you don't look like 47. You look like 37, huh?
Wow! So good. 10 years ago.
Yeah.
Why 10 years?
Why me 1 year old?
That's, well, I have the right to say, okay? So, respect me, okay?
Oh.
When it's your turn, you can give me a lot of number. Okay, ha? So, you have to respect
Because
this.
I'm always laugh.
You always laugh.
I'm
Oh,
always smile.
That's why Valerie is very much enjoyable with you, ha? Okay.
Kahit daming problema, smile.
What's problema?
Problem.
Stress.
Stress? Okay.
I want like to smile.
Well, you have to learn how to combat your
Oh.
stress into excitement. Much better, huh? It's
Yeah,
better
I'm
to handle things excitedly rather than stressfully, huh?
Yeah, I'm look bata pa.
Oh, you look like bata.
37.
What's bata?
Bata, it means yung younger. Younger
Younger.
face.
Oh,
Cute.
yeah. Oh, cute, ha? Oh.
Wow naman! Wow! Wow!
You know why people do have that younger and cute face? Because
Kasi
they're always,
smile.
not only that, they're always in love.
Yeah.
When your love goes into the air, you have this feeling of, relaxing, enjoyable, yeah? Very
That's true.
I'm happy for both of you. Huh?
Thank you.
So, are we near? Are we far?
Are we near?
We're near. Almost near. Okay, ha?
Malapit na.
What's malapit?
Near.
Near malapit.
Malapit.
Okay, ha? What's the Tagalog of where you're going?
Saan ka pupunta?
What?
Saan ka pupunta?
Saan
Ka
ka
pupunta.
pupunta? Okay, where you going is
Saan ka pupunta?
to the moon.
To the moon.
Vroom, vroom. Okay, another joke that I learned, ha?
Are you straight ahead?
We straight ahead.
Yeah.
Oh, this is Orense.
Yeah, that's Orense. But we straight ahead first.
What's straight ahead?
Diretso pa tayo sa kalsada.
But it's very long, ha? I just said straight ahead. You said what?
Diretso lang sa kalsada.
Oh, you're confusing me, ha?
No. Diretso.
Okay,
Yeah, diretso.
straight ahead.
Straight is derecho.
Okay. Okay, straight derecho. Ahead.
Ahead.
What do you call this?
Ulo.
Oh, see? So it's derecho ulo.
Diretso.
Well, well, guys, thank you so much, ha? You're helping me a lot, ha? I'm so happy, ha? So just continue that flame of love going, ha? I'll be
Being
praying. I'll be praying for you guys, ha? Okay na tayo rito?
Yes po. Okay tam. Tagalog. Okay na tayo dito.
Straight na
Straight
straight.
na straight.
It's a prank!
It's okay.
It's okay?
Yeah.
I'm a vlogger.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's okay.
Wow, do you want to subscribe?
Follow.
Oh, okay lang ba upload ko to? Sige
Check
na.
mo yung followers. Dapat pa-followers mo na kita.
Sige, check mo muna. Actually, I do have lots of Chinese prank. Yeah. Konti pa lang. Pinoy Transporter.
Pinoy Transport. Give me 50 pesos. That's it.
Porter.
Porter.
Manolito.
Manulito. Manuling?
Manolito.